Okay, so now let's create our Pinterest graphic. Okay, so first let's go to uploads. Okay, here in the left section on the bottom, click uploads, and then click upload your own images. Okay, so remember the feminine styled stock photos. Let's just upload one of those. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload this by Wonderfell. Okay, let me just upload that, and here it is. Actually, I uploaded earlier, so just let me drag this. Okay, let's drag this photo here. Okay, and then let's resize it to make it bigger. Okay, so let's just resize this. Just drag it. Okay, just drag it to resize this. Okay, so I want to flip this photo. Okay, because I want this flower design to go on the bottom. Okay, so let's just click here on top left section, flip. Okay, so you can flip horizontally. Okay, this is what it looks like, or you can flip vertically. Okay, so this is what I want this to flip vertically. Okay, so I want this flower on the bottom. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna copy a design I made in the past. Okay, so this is what I want: 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Okay, so now let's go back here. Okay, so let's go here on the left section and click elements. Okay, click elements. Okay, and then go here, shapes. Okay, you can see here there's free photos, grids. Okay, just click here, shapes. Okay, all right, just let's just wait for a bit, and then let's scroll down, and then you can see here the shape. Okay, a circle shape. So let's just drag that. Okay, drag the circle here. Okay, so let's make this smaller, the circle. Okay, and then I want to change the color of the circle. Okay, so just click that, and then go here on the color picker. Okay, so we want to match the color, so it has to be pink. Okay, so just click that, and then choose pink. Okay, so if you want to choose other colors, you can choose here, or just click this plus sign where you can pick the specific color that you want. Okay, so let's just choose this pink. Okay, and now let's go to the text section. Okay, click here on the left uh, side, click text, and then click add heading. Okay, so there's going to be a heading here. Okay, and then drag it here on the circle, and then put the number 5. Okay, so because we're copying this. Okay, 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Okay, so 5. Okay, so we want to make it bigger, so just highlight the number 5, and then click the font size. Okay, and then let's make it bigger. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, and I want to change the color. Okay, so just highlight it again and go here to the color picker on top, and then I want this to be color white. Okay, so still looks small, so let's make it bigger. Okay, so let's make it that, and I want to change the font. Okay, so let's highlight here the 5, and then go here on the fonts. Okay, you see it's Abril fat face, so I want to change this to League Spartan. Okay, okay, so now that looks better. Okay, so I want to make this circle smaller. Okay, so let me just adjust that to the middle. Alright, so now let's add another text. Okay, so let's go here again to text on the left section, and then click add heading. Okay, so we're gonna type tips 2, 5 tip, because 5 tips 2. Okay, but since we use League Spartan, we're gonna change the font again, so just highlight this and then choose the font League Spartan. Okay, let's make that a bit bigger. Okay, so we want to copy this again. Okay, so just click this, the font box. Okay, and then click copy. Okay, so we can copy that. Okay, but let's just change the text, so just highlight the text, 5 tips to skyrocket. Okay, but let's make the skyrocket smaller. Okay, okay, let me just, all right, 5 tips to skyrocket, and then let's copy this again. Okay, just click it and then click copy. Okay, so let's change the text to your 5 tips to skyrocket your, and then we're going to add another heading. Okay, so click here on the text and then click add heading, and then we're going to put motivation. Okay, but we want this motivation to be in cursive. Okay, so let's just highlight that and change the text to Pacifico. Okay, because I usually like Pacifico, it looks very good. Okay, so let's just scroll down and look for Pacifico. Okay, so this is the font that looks good. Okay, so now let's highlight this and make the font bigger. Okay, so let's put 50. Okay, let's make this as big as possible. Okay, without overflowing. Okay, so let's just still make that bigger. Okay, and you can also change the color. Okay, so with Pinterest, I suggest with Pinterest we use a normal font. Okay, and then a cursive font. Okay, always use the regular font and the cursive font. Okay, because that looks good on Pinterest. Okay, so highlight this. Let's change the color of motivation. Let's go to the color picker. Okay, and let's change that to pink. Okay, so you see this looks very good. Okay, and then let's make this a little bigger. Okay, so now we want to add a shape here. So let's go to elements here on the left section. Click elements, and then click this shape. Okay, this square shape. Okay, so let's drag it on the bottom because we're gonna make a placeholder for our website. Okay, and then change this shape. Okay, just click that and go to the color picker. Okay, and then choose black. Okay, and then let's add another text. Okay, click here on the left text and then click add subheading. Okay, so just drag that and then let's put our website. So let's put here our website, but it should be color white. Okay, because the background is black. So let's just highlight that and then go to the color picker and click white. Okay, so you see here that now it looks nice. Okay, so this is an example of a good Pinterest pin. Okay, this is a very attractive pin. It's long, and um, I, I give you the advice that in Pinterest, the eye-popping colors are usually pink, black, and white. Okay, so this is just a suggestion because those are usually the colors that pop out in the Pinterest feed. Okay, pink, hot pink, okay, black, and white. This color combination is very good. Okay, so once you're done, let's click download. Okay, let's click download and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so just wait. All right, so it's downloading, and okay, just wait a bit. Let's go to the, okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, this is actually bigger size. Okay, okay, so this is a big size. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. We'll make other styles of pins.